Hi guys, I am so thankful you returned for another video, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. My husband and I had several family members over just to hang out and see each other and just eat some good food. So we needed to clean up after that, but first I wanted to share a quick grocery haul. We got the things that we normally need for ourselves plus some extras for our gathering. I think grocery hauls are fun, and so I thought I would share mine with you before we get the motivation going. I'm gonna run through this quickly since a lot of you are here for the cleaning. We got some shrimp and scallops from Costco. It's always really fresh there. I got this Gouda cheese because I use it when I make baked macaroni and cheese. And then I love Land O'Lakes butter for baking and for any other cooking. We also got this huge pack of wings that last us a long time with there just being two of us. This pimento cheese is amazing, so I love to get it there. And then my husband likes to take protein bars to work with him, so we got a box of that from Walmart. And I'm jumping back and forth between Walmart and Costco. So we got these ribs from Costco. And then this is my husband's yogurt. It's really good. Mangoes are one of my favorite fruits, and my husband is sweet enough to cut them up for me. So we got some of those. And then I'm making baked beans for our gathering. And so we needed an onion and a green pepper. And then the lime is just for our seafood. And then that Nice's sausage has sage and it is incredible. We did get some extra cheese to go in the macaroni and cheese, some ground beef for the baked beans, and then my husband takes those sardines to work. We got broccoli, and then we got the cheese whiz to go over the broccoli, so you'll see that in a second. This is the Alfredo sauce that my husband puts on the pasta dish that he makes for me. And now here's the cheese whiz for the broccoli and cheese. And then we also got mushrooms that go in the pasta dish with the seafood. The mild rotel is great in there too, so we use that. And then this watermelon Tropicana, if you have not tried it, is amazing. And then I actually use heavy whipping cream in my macaroni and cheese instead of milk. Skippy peanut butter, that is mine. I love it. And then these are the beans that we got for the baked beans. And I just got a large can and a small can, and it fills up a 9x13 dish perfectly. Chicken broth, my husband uses that to cook some of his dishes. And then these turtle brownies, they're really good, but they're tiny. So if you get those, especially for a family, you might want 2 boxes, but they taste really good. And then I got some extra forks for our guest. We only had a few left. And then this is the angel hair pasta for the seafood dish and the elbow macaroni for my macaroni and cheese. And I love this birria, it's really good. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then these are some great value crackers and rosemary that my husband eats with his sardines. And now we're jumping over to some blue corn tortilla chips. I take those for lunch when I take dip or chicken salad. And then some of you might know we have a sweet tooth and we just keep candy on hand and just eat a piece here or there. But we got Kit Kat, the white chocolate, Milky Way, some jelly beans, and some pink Starburst. And then this Pepsi is for one of my cousins. She loves Pepsi, so I want to make sure we have that and not just water. And then we keep these plates. A lot of times we just use paper plates instead of dishes. And then Downy scent boosters and Downy fabric softener from Costco. They had them both on sale and we used them both. And then the Kirkland brand of bottled water, we always keep that. And then the last thing are these gorgeous flowers from Costco. They always are so fresh and pretty and smell good, and they were on sale. Woo, that's it guys. Now we're gonna get into some cleaning. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and I love to post cleaning, organization, and lifestyle content. If that interests you, please click the red subscribe button below so you can join the family. Also, click the notification bell so you will be notified every single time I upload. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole. And if this could last forever, I wouldn't have any other way. I want you to island holds a lot of stuff, so we usually have people eating there, and we have like the food out and all kinds of stuff. So I'm trying to tackle that first because it's such a mess. But while I'm doing that, guys, let me know, are you hosting people in your home? Are you comfortable doing that? We're pretty much just sticking to family and only a certain number of family members each time, and only every now and then. So we're not completely back to normal, but we do want to be able to see each other. So let me know how you guys are handling that. At this point, I'm starting to be able to see more countertop, so that is promising. I believe it was around 1 o'clock in the morning at this time. I honestly am not sure, but I just get this burst of energy when it comes to cleaning. I cannot leave a mess. I don't care how late it is. So if we have people over and they're hanging out and having a good time and they stay really late, which normally happens and we absolutely love it, I am still going to get everything clean afterwards because I would not be able to sleep knowing that I had to wake up to a mess. If you're not already, please follow me over on Instagram at crystal_renee_lifestyle. I usually try to mention that in every single video because it's the easiest way for us to keep up with each other, and I can also give you updates on my channel, such as if I'm not going to post a video on a regular day or any changes like that.
As firefighters, you got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
I wish I could have shown you guys the patio set up before it got dark. My husband had put up the umbrella and put the cushions in the chairs. He also had the tiki torches going. It was really pretty. but it got dark and I couldn't show you. I am cleaning up the dining room table though because a rain shower did pop up. It was really quick, so several of us were eating in here.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions.
I mentioned in my previous video that I was not ready to let go of my honeysuckle Mrs. Meyer's and switch over to fall, but I did go ahead and place an order from Grove. Hopefully it will get here soon. Target was pretty depleted, and I like ordering from Grove anyway because it's kind of a one-stop shop for everything you need, and then it gets delivered right to your door.
It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. Pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. 'Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I was out of town to find myself, a way to get myself out of this world. You were not about, and I blame myself. I should have blamed myself, but that's what I've heard. And now it's late at night and the sun is out. What can we just go and spend it all where we wanna be? We were out of line, out of our minds. We couldn't fantasize about nothing more.
After I emptied the recycling and vacuumed, I mopped the kitchen and the dining room. However, I don't think I pressed record, but again, it was really late and I was tired, so I'm not surprised, but I did mop the kitchen and I'm in the dining room now, and this is my E-Cloth spray mop, and it works great, and all you need is water. If you're enjoying this video, and I hope you are, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys, and I especially like to know what you're up to.
Single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face.
I had already cleaned before my family came over, but anytime we have guests in our home, I like to wipe down the guest bathroom after they leave with my Clorox wipes, and I usually just focus on the faucet and the sink, the light switches and the toilet, things like that.
Never stop. Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face.
Moving on to the living room, all I needed to do in here was just fluff up our cushions and pillows, and then I also needed to wipe off my ottoman. I like to wipe our remotes with Clorox wipes, and I definitely prefer to do that after we've had guests over.
Give you up, give you up. And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head, 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you.
Now that the ottoman is nice and clean, I'm going ahead and taking care of those remotes. And then the last thing I'll do is vacuum, just because of the foot traffic that we had and anything that might have come off the ottoman. And that will do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this late night clean with me and that it gave you some relaxing motivation. If it did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Also, leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.